Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, your girl is tired. We have just been moving house all today, all yesterday, and all the day before. It's never ending, and honestly I feel so exhausted. I look like a crazy person because I've hardly slept and I can't find a lot of my stuff, and yeah, that's just moving. This mirror is so dirty. I'm so sorry, but honestly don't care right now. I'm just trying to keep going with unpacking boxes and assembling things and putting things places and baby proofing the house. Fun times. We have just moved out of our home because we are going to start our renovations soon. I'm so excited. I've shared with you guys on my Instagram that we are going to be renovating our home. I'm really excited to be moving back into a really modern new home that we have picked all the details ourselves. So we just got a rental for the next year because I definitely cannot live in the house with the little kids and renovate. Like, I do not know how people do that. It makes me, just stress. My kids go to anything dangerous, they go straight to it. Yeah, I'm really grateful and excited for this journey, and I will start a renovation mini series. But before then, let me get back to the vlog and let me give you guys like a little snippet of what's going on right now. It is very chaotic. Oh my god, that dirty mirror. Yeah, it's very chaotic, but let me show you guys what's going on. There are boxes everywhere. Anyways, I'm going to be doing a mini little gym here, which will be really nice because it has a beautiful view. Let me show you guys. I'm going to put the treadmill to face out, so this will be my morning view. But life has just been really busy and I still have a gym membership, but I just feel like if I can set up a couple of things, there's no excuse really. I can do a home workout. Starry is officially my roomie.
Yay, best roomies ever.
I know, I'm actually so happy. Oh, there you go, she's my roomie. I'm actually so happy because I love being around Starry. And we got a massive house so that, you know, we have space and we can live together.
I don't want to leave. How will you treat me?
One thing at a time. Giselle's room is pretty much done. Oh, can I come into your room?
Yeah, welcome.
Welcome to Starry's room. Gorgeous. Oh, we actually have to build this. So I got a bed frame and a mattress from Emma Mattress. Have you tried their stuff before?
No, I haven't.
Oh, you will love it. I chose the best mattress ever. You will have the best sleep. So we might get to this now. The mattress is actually in this box. It's so cool how it comes in like a small box and then it like bounces out.
Oh, that is so nice.
We are all done.
So
Girl power. So comfy, honestly. I just want to make the bed and go to bed. Yeah. But I do have a discount code for you guys. Emma Mattress were nice enough to give me one, so I will pop that in the description if you're interested. Giselle's middle name to Trouble. I love you.
One minute.
Yeah?
Remember? My Chica got iPads like me.
Really?
Yeah, and my Chica got floors like you.
Cool. Did you have fun at kindy today? Mummy was unpacking boxes all day.
Pour some pink.
You want something on Aaliyah's iPad?
Yeah, a game.
None of the TVs are connected.
Oh,
Wi-Fi is not connected.
oh, but the
Lucky
duffel.
electricity
But the
is
duffel.
on. I forgot to connect. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at this sunset. So freaking pretty. Oh my gosh. Sunsets are like my favorite thing ever. Hello everyone. This is honestly the weirdest layout house I've ever lived in. It has like this giant kitchen to my left and then another giant kitchen to my right. Not sure why, but I just wanted to move out, secure the rental to focus on our home that we are renovating. Yeah, the house is like honestly crazy right now. There's a carpet here because I just got that steam cleaned. This is like the only room that's done. Dining, but like I mentioned, it's a really weird layout. Like, look at this. Straight from the dining table, like into the pool. I don't know, it's really fun. Look at your little curls. She's got the curls like her brother. Hi. Her favorite 2 words are hi, and now a new word, ow. Ow. You literally give her a kiss and she'll go, ow. Ow. Oh, hello. Gisele. Hello. Wow, this house echoes. Hello. Hi. Hi. Where's your brother? In the toy room? In the toy room? Okay, well, let me show you guys if you can see from here. It's on the water. I'm really looking forward to be going on our jet ski lots over the summer. There's like a little bungalow thing here. Some day beds and stuff there, and a nice front lawn. Another room here. I just got these couches steam cleaned. I like to do a steam clean quite often, especially when you've got kids. Just keep it nice and fresh.
Mango.
Oh, you guys are making mango pieces?
Yeah. So you cut the side and then you cut the middle, just like the sides. And then after that, you just try and like pull it up softly so then the plate will just break apart. Ali, did I did it? Yeah, that actually looks like a turtle.
Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so I'm getting Gabriel's kindy bag ready. I'm gonna drop him off. Elia, ready for piano. We changed piano to the morning today because it's school holidays. And Giselle ready to terrorize the world. Holidays are hard because I like routine. I'm a routine kind of mum. And holidays, things just obviously, you know, you do holiday stuff, so things don't always go to routine. Kids staying up a little bit later.
Mom.
It's inside and we're not going inside. Put your seatbelt on now. Come on. So yeah, I'm just being more flexible, and also we just moved house, so like I can't even find like half the things for half the activities that the kids have. So I'm just cruising. So we're back home. I just need to do a couple of emails, and Grandpa is going to pop over. Oh my gosh. Oh, love this for me. Ow. Really, Giselle? Really? Ow! Right on top of my head, too. Nappy right on my head. Giselle, there's this whole living room, and look what she's drawn to. Like, this is just like being a mum right here. Grandpa and Aaliyah going out to the jetty. My dad is like such a typical dad. Like, first thing he said when he got here was everything that needs to be fixed. That's not safe for the kids. Like, he hates infinity pools. He's like, let's put up a fence there and then this and that. And I bet you he's going to come back from down there and tell me like a billion things that's unsafe. Okay, so Giselle is now asleep. The Wi-Fi just got done. Yes. go wake up Giselle and go get Gabriel. So I'm going to end this vlog here. I know it was so much fun, this vlog, just so entertaining watching me just be stressed and pack and unpack. But thanks for coming along with me, and I'll see you guys soon.